Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy triangle shawl, and it starts from the bottom and works up. So let's get started. To make this easy triangle scarf or shawl, I'm working with Bernat Premium worsted weight yarn and a 12mm crochet hook. And as you can see, that's a very large hook. I'm going to start with a slip knot. Chain 2, 1, 2. In the second stitch from the hook, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Chain 1 and turn. Working in the back side of the stitch only, right here, make 2 single crochet in each of the 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and in the other stitch, in the back side of the stitch only, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Chain 1 and turn. Make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1, 2. Single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 1, 1. Make 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So for the remainder of the triangle shawl, you will make 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the last stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the other stitches, always working in the back side of the stitch. So chain 1 and turn. Make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1, 2. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row, but make 2 in the last stitch. So 1, 1, 1, 1, and there's my last stitch. Make 2 single crochet in that stitch. And that's all you need to know. You continue to work that row, making 2 stitches in the first stitch and 2 stitches in the last stitch and 1 stitch in each of the remaining stitches across the row. And you just continue to do that row after row, and it will get larger and larger. And you can use it just like this, or you can add tassels on the bottom and on the 2 corners, and I'll put a link below for my video on how to make a tassel. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make this triangle shawl or scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.